Sure. Say hi. Hey guys. We're gonna be doing this on my hair. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be doing this beautiful little princess's hair. She's only 1 year old, baby. She's 1 year old, okay, and she's so adorable. She's super cute. Look at this little girl. She's sitting down like an adult waiting to get her hair done. Guys, I promise you guys, from the beginning of this hair to the end, this little mama did not cry. Yes guys, so I'll be sharing some of the secret how to make a little princess's hair without letting the princess cry. So right now I'm just applying a leave-in conditioner. It's called Chi leave-in conditioner. So this conditioner makes the hair soft, and now I'm gonna go ahead to apply the Pro Growth. This Pro Growth is a leave-in treatment that also makes the little baby's hair to grow very fast. So guys, if you're new here, you're super welcome. Please don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Please hit that subscribe button and join the family. Guys, I'll be showing you guys what I do when I make little kids hair. Remember that your little princess's scalp is very soft and tender, so if you handle it with care, they will not cry. Care, love, and giving them what they want. That is my secret. Okay, right now this little madam, she's watching her favorite TV show, and see how she's sitting down. She's not crying. I'm just gonna go ahead to apply shine and jam to the hair. Guys, what I do when I cut the parts, when I push on the hair that I want, after doing that I go ahead to comb the hair. Guys, watch how I comb this hair. This video is fast forwarded, so you would think that I'm kind of rough, but guys, I am not rough at all. So what I do, I cut out the portion that I want, and then I comb it from the bottom. Okay, so you see what I'm doing? I just comb it a little bit, just give it a little squish, just comb it. Don't comb it all the way out. If you comb it all the way out, your little girl will cry. Okay, I'm using just 5 strands of Brazilian wool to make this threading. Okay, so right now I've started to thread the hair, and you see now what I'm doing. I'm just gonna, after I have threaded the hair halfway, I'm just gonna comb the ends of the hair. Remember guys, I started off by combing only the bottom of the hair, the roots, and after that I give a little plaiting, and then I comb the ends of the hair. So guys, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. This style is very easy. It's very easy. I believe anyone can do this style. Okay, so it's very easy for one to do, to achieve this style, if you follow each and every step on this video. So watch guys. After plaiting the hair, I just cut off the excess Brazilian wool, and then I go ahead to, like, you know, twist it, fold the hair into 2, and then twist, use the remaining ends to twist on the same hair. I don't know if I'm making sense, but as you can see in the video, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so I believe, and after that I'm just going to cut off the excess, and then use my lighter to, like, seal the ends. Okay, I'm sealing the ends because I don't want the hair to unravel, you know. So that is what I'm doing. Guys, I hope this style is helpful. I will be doing another one for you guys to see. You see, the little girl is happy. She's dancing because the hair is not tight at all. She's so happy. She's looking at herself and she's smiling. She's just an adorable princess. Yes guys, she is so adorable. From the beginning of this hair to the end, this little girl did not cry. Unbelievably, she did not cry. Okay, so yeah, I hope that this video is helpful to you. I hope that you watch this video and you'll be able to do the same style for your little princess. Please, if you end up making this style, please share with me in the comment section and also give me a thumbs up, guys. Give me a thumbs up. So you see what I'm doing right now? I'm just going to use a bigger comb to like comb the hair out, and after that I went ahead to apply my shine and jam. And after applying the shine and jam, I'm going to go ahead to use my tail comb to soften the root of the hair, and I comb it halfway, guys. I comb it halfway. I don't comb it all the way because I don't want this little madam to cry. So I just comb it halfway, and then I will start threading the hair. So guys, please, if you are new here or you've watched my video before and you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for, guys. Please hit that subscribe button and also turn on your bell notification so that you will be the first to get notified whenever I post new video. Guys, please enjoy this video and leave me a comment in the comment section. So guys, you see what I'm doing? I'm just gonna go ahead to comb the ends of the hair. This way your child's hair will not hurt them, they will not cry, you know. So my secret, this is part of my secret, but please watch this video to the end and leave me your comments in the comments section, and also give me a thumbs up, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like to see more of kids video on my channel. Please leave me a comment in the comments section. I love you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I wish you the best of the season. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey guys, so this whole process took me about an hour or about 45 minutes thereabout, because we were also taking breaks. If you notice that your little girl is getting tired, please let them be. Let them walk around, let them play around, let them just be, okay? And then you can, when you see that they've played a little bit, you can bring them back to the seat and then continue to do what you're doing. Don't put pressure on them at all. Just let them have fun while you're making their hair. Make it a play section for them while they are also getting their hair done. I think that is part of my secrets, okay guys? So I allow them to play when they are tired, and then I come back. Even when they're not crying, I just let them go play around, okay? And after that, you can walk them back into sitting down. Some kids will not agree to come back, but yeah, you can always just pamper them, play with them, and allow them to get that rest, and then you can start off again. So this brings us to the end of this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and also turn on your bell notification and also subscribe. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. You see this little woman, she's adjusting herself to the seat. You see her, she's adjusting herself to the seat. She didn't stress me at all. She's just so super cute. She's just a cute baby, honestly. You know, so she loves her hair. When we're done, she walks straight to her mom, and she was so happy that her hair is done. So guys, yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for your support and thank you for subscribing to this channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. I know I've said this thing over and over again, but yeah, this time around I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.